Hey, how's it going? Mike here, The Fresh Rinse, on location in Madison, Ohio, about 7 minutes from my house. We narrowly escaped death for 1 hour in that hailstorm, but we're all good. Squirt is manning the 31-inch Mini Mondo, and she is handling it like a pro. Super proud of what she's doing. This project here is 50 feet by 70 feet roughly, and we're hoping to be in and out within an hour. Super nice people from Chicago. They know exactly where my daughter lives in Chicago, my oldest daughter, and they just recently purchased this property. They're going to put a barn right here, and they're wanting to clean it up before they get the barn on the concrete, so that makes sense. I'm going to show you some before and afters and the process along the way. We're having a good time. Hey guys, Mike here, The Fresh Rinse. Hey, a real quick reminder, every Wednesday night from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m., myself and Jeremy Messer of Kentucky Wash Pros host the worst podcast ever, and you don't want to miss it. We call it the Wash Tube Podcast. We talk about washing, we talk about life, we talk about everything for 1 solid hour. You've never seen anything like it. At the end, we always finish in prayer. Again, something totally different. Once again, the Wash Tube Podcast every Wednesday night from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time right here on the Fresh Rinse channel. So the only thing that I'm really concerned about is our water usage. We are a good 300 feet from the home, and because of that, our water flow is quite low. We started with 330 gallons in the buffer tank, and so far so good. She's making 2 passes as she goes. She's making a slow pass, and then as she returns, as she is now, she is making a little bit of a faster pass, and it's working out nicely. Afterwards, we will post-treat with about a 3% after rinsing, and we should be good to go. We have one more opportunity after this one. All right, so here we are at the halfway mark. I do have algicide. I do have sodium hypochlorite on this section that we have finished. It's going to reveal what we have missed. I can see a couple of stripes here. We need to go back over. And then in each corner or along the edge, there's some areas. All in all, it's going to come out nice. Very impressed. And our water level is just above halfway, right there. So we're doing good. Taking just a little break, and then we'll conquer the second half. All right, here's the finished product. Everything came out magnificently. The homeowner is very, very pleased. About halfway through the wash, I sent this picture to the homeowner. She then sent that to her husband, who's on a trip to Chicago. And he said, maybe we should not put a barn on this spot here. Maybe we should leave it. She said, no, we're definitely putting a barn here. And I told my daughter, I said, I guarantee you they will have us come back and do the driveway. Sure enough, she came and paid early, and she said, we want to get you to wash the driveway as well. So, not that up there, but all this through here as it curls around and then over the hill. Has beautiful views on the backside of this property. And man, oh man, this was a great job. Hey, I really appreciate you watching. If you have not already liked and subscribed, be sure and do that. Then hit the bell tab, and myself, Squirt, and you can spend lots of time together this summer. All right, we're off to the next one. Mike, the Fresh Rinse. We're out.